Hey guys, this is a review of the new Phantom 3 Professional I received today. So when I was charging the battery, I don't know what to do. So I decide to open it up and see what is in it. The first problem was there are new screws inside there and I need to buy another one. Another new screwdriver. So I bought it for 20 bucks and now it's open. This is the Phantom 3. You can see here. I received today, and open it up, and this is what's inside. First, take off the GPS module. You can see it here. Now this is, I don't know what this is, but it flies, so okay. The new battery, but okay. So this is what's inside. Closer look to the motors. The ESCs are here. The LEDs. This on the all sides. These are the connectors. Okay, GPS is here. This is. The screws are TX8, this one, and another one are TX6. So you need to have this at home to open it up. Thanks, bye bye.